Hi everyone, it's Bob from Greybeard Models. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for everybody making comments and stuff. Really appreciate your input. It's great stuff, and it really is helping to sort of build the channel and do stuff like that. So this build, as you can see from the title, is a Tamiya Churchill Crocodile, and I haven't concentrated too much on the build. The reason being is it went together really easily. Even at dry fit, it just fell together. So I figured that I'd do something different this time. So I haven't really concentrated on the build itself. What I'm going to do is concentrate on the finish and doing something different. So without further ado, let's get over to the bench and I'll show you what we've been doing. Well, with the Crocodile, as it's as it's a Tamiya kit and it's a fairly straightforward build, nothing spectacular in it. I just went ahead and built a load of sub assemblies up, and I've got, you know, a whole raft of bits and pieces all painted. I've got all these bits here, all the bits in primer and stuff. So all of this is basically in primer. And big chunky sub assemblies, as you can see. I mean, there's great bits. So what I'll now do is get into doing the color call outs and getting stuff all ready for the sort of next stage of the build. Where's the other? Oh, right. So with the Crocodile, I've gotten into massive sub assemblies. So pretty much, you know, I've got the trailers there, the wheels are there, turrets there. Just move those out of shot for a bit, move this one in, and then I've got the actual tank body itself there with various bits and pieces on, and they've been sort of detail painted and whatnot. So the reason that I've gone this route is because I want to go straight into doing some weathering, and I wanted to not worry too much about the actual, I suppose you would say, the details of the kit, but I just wanted to go straight into weathering. And okay, so put the turret and the body together, or the whole, and we've given it a coat of hairspray, and the wheels on the trailer, they've had a coat of hairspray as well, and the trailer body as well, that's had a coat of hairspray. So now what we'll do is we'll go over that and put the first coat of a snow colour, well, white, and we'll go from there to head towards chipping and stuff. Right, so I've got this pile of excuse me, effects material, I suppose. AK puddles. I've used this stuff before. This is actually quite good for just leaving those, like exactly what it says on the tin, really, little puddles in your diorama. It's great. It really does work well. Muddy ground. I've used a number of the sort of materials from AK for this sort of stuff, and this obviously muddy ground, and now this is where I'm going into stuff I've not really used before. So this is their AK Terrain Snow, because what I'm going to do is do a snow scene, and I've got this sort of stuff, snow sprinkles, and also one of these other things that I've got to add in there, Snow by Vallejo, for that. In terms of the actual tank itself, I'm going to do the white camo scheme over the top of this, and lots of chipping and all of that sort of thing. So I've used various levels of chipping technique on this particular kit. There's still some detail painting to do, but here we've managed to sort of do a multiple layer of chipping, just to give it a battered, worn thing. Detail painting, obviously I've got to repaint the hawsers there and the spare tracks, and the tools need to be repainted there, bits of the exhaust as well, so I need to get in and do that sort of thing. That's all been done, and the actual trailer section, that's now sort of pretty much done. I didn't want to get sort of it's funny, isn't it, doing chipping technique and snow effects and winter camouflage. It's sort of trying to strike a balance and looking at all sorts of different photographs and things, and there's no sort of that's what it looks like. So anyway, the next stage, as I say, is to get some detail painting done, and let's move that over there a little bit, a wee bit. There you go. Right, so is to get some detail painting done, and then pretty much the vehicle's ready for the base, and the base is being prepared as we speak. So what I'll do is I think I'll end the video there, and when I come back on this project, it should be on its base with all the snow effects and all of that sort of thing, and we'll sort of go through how I've done the snow effects. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this interesting. Like I say, it's not really been about the build, it's been about doing the weathering. So like I say, with a bit more detail paint, a little bit more effects, that'll be done. So I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.